how stretchy this green goo is!
Give that to me right now! I said it is my turn to play!
I will not share with you! It's mine!
Mom! Mom, look! He doesn't share with me!
Come to me. I will give you slime. Don't fight with each other. Just come here and play nicely together. Here you go, sweetie. Look how stretchy this pink slime is.
Oh, wow! It feels so squishy and cool in my hands, Mom!
My slime, it's so yummy. I want to eat it.
Mom, I need more slime!
I have no more. I gave it to your sister.
Come and play with me! This pink slime is so much fun to stretch and squish.
Sharing is caring. I am so happy to see you both playing together so nicely. I am so glad you like the texture of this batch. It takes a lot of work to get the slime just right.